Hi guys, it's another recipe from Finland and this time it's a dessert, and even though it's very simple, it is actually one of my favorite week desserts, so something that is very fast to make and that is great to enjoy for dessert during the week. You want to add the blueberries with the sugar and the water to a small pot. If you are using frozen blueberries like I'm doing here, you want to defrost the blueberries on medium heat first and then bring them to boil. If using fresh blueberries, you just want to bring them to boil. Once the blueberries are boiling, you want to simmer them on medium heat for about 5 minutes. Then you want to remove it from the heat, mix the cornstarch with a little bit of water and pour that into your blueberries while mixing. Then you want to bring it back to heat. Mix it really well and bring it back to boil. Once it's starting to boil, give it a short mix again and remove from heat. You want to portion the dessert right away because it starts to thicken and it will form a kind of film on the surface, so portion it right away into the bowls that you will be serving it from. The recipe and the preparation instructions for the cream topping can be found in the description box below. I hope you like this super simple but delicious recipe from Finland, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up for support and subscribe for some more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.